Hello everyone. So my name is Martina Ana Amaikatio, and today I'm going to present for our switching and routing essentials for chapter 5, which is switch configuration. So our lecturer name is Sir Muhammad Adib bin Muhammad Salim. So my group member is me, Desi Jara David, Siri Wisibada, and Jenisia Tausinsia. So I'll present for the question 1 and until question 6. Based on this show in the first F0/1, okay. Refer to the exhibition. What media issue might exist on a line connected to F0/1 based on the show interface command. Okay. So the answer is there could be an issue with a faulty NIC. NIC stands for Network Interface Card. Okay, next. For the question 2 is a production switch is loaded and finished with a switch from what two facts can be determined? Choose two answers. So the answer is the boot process was interrupted and a full version of the Cisco IOS was located and loaded. Okay, so the question 3 is in which situations would a technician use the show interface switch command? So the answer that I choose is when packets are being dropped from a particular directly attached host. The question 4, which two statements are true about using full duplex fast internet? I need to choose two answers. So the answer is performance is improved with bidirectional data flow, and full duplex fast internet offers 100% efficiencies in both directions. Next, question 5. What is one difference between using Telnet or SSH to connect to a network device for management purpose? Okay. Telnet does not provide authentication, whereas SSH provides authentications. Next is SSH stands for Secure Shell. Number 6, the last question. Where are dynamically learned MAC addresses stored where sticky learning is enabled with the switch port security MAC address sticky command? So the answer is RAM, random access memory. Okay, for the next questions, I will pass to my another group member, which is Desi. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm Desi Jara. Today I'm going to present chapter 5 of SRE for which is my part from question 7 to question 12. What is a function of the switch bootloader? To provide an environment to operate in when the switch operating system cannot be found. Number 8. Which statement describes the port speed LED on the Cisco Catalyst 2960 switch? The answer is if the LED is green, the port is operating at 100 MB/s. Number 9. If one end of an Ethernet connection is configured for full duplex and the other end of the connection is configured for half duplex, where will LED collisions be observed? The answer is on the half duplex end of the connection. Number 10, refer to the X hybrid. A network technician is troubleshooting connectivity issues In an internet network with the command show interface fast internet 0/0, what conclusion can be drawn based on the partial output in the exhibit? So the answer is a malfunctioning NIC can cause frames to be transmitted that are longer than the allowed maximum length. Number 11, option 1, step 1, press space bar to enter matching mode. Match the step to each switch with sequence description. Answer is enter global configuration mode. The last one we have refer to the exhibit. What can be determined about port security from the information that is shown? The answer is the port violation mode is the default for any port that has port security enabled. That's all from me. Thank you.
Spacebar to enter machine mode. Identify the user. Step 2. Generate LS.
Hello, my name is Siri Usambada. Today I'm going to talk about question 19 until 24. Refer to to the D exhibit. The network administrator want to configure switch 1 to allow SSH connection and prohibit telnet connections. How should the network administrator change the display configuration to satisfy the requirement? The answer is modify the transport input command. Which command is used to set the boot environment variable that define where to find the iOS image file on the switch bootloader? Which action will bring an error-disabled switch port back to an operational state? The answer is issue the shutdown and then no shutdown interface commands. For the question 22, which two statements are true regarding switch port security? Choose two. Okay. For the first one, answer is if fewer than the maximum number of MAC addresses for a port are configured statically, dynamically learned addresses are added to CAM until the maximum number is reached. Second answer is dynamically learned secure MAC addresses are lost when the switch reboots. Question 23. A network administrator configure the port security feature on the switch. The security policy specify that each access port should allow up to 2 MAC addresses. When the maximum number of MAC addresses is reached, a frame with the unknown source MAC addresses is dropped and a notification is sent to the Cycloc server. Which security evaluation mode should be configured for each access port? Restrict. For the last question is launch PT hide and save PT. Open the PT exercise, perform the task in the activity instruction and then answer the question. Which event will take place if there is a port security violation on switch S1 interface FA0/1? The answer is packet with unknown source addresses will be dropped. That's only for me. Thank you. Ya ampun, ada aku record. Anjing. Ya ampun. Masih aku record.